For centuries, Venus has intrigued humanity. Often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and proximity, this cloud-covered world hides mysteries beneath its thick, sulfuric atmosphere. But landing on Venus? That seemed impossible. Today, we're going to unravel the story of how humans, against all odds, managed to land on the most hostile planet in the solar system. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is shrouded in an eternal blanket of toxic clouds. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, yes, even hotter than Mercury. The surface temperature on Venus reaches a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. And if that wasn't bad enough, the atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid swirling above. Add to that an atmospheric pressure 90 times greater than Earth's, and you've got a planet that's incredibly hostile to life as we know it. Standing on Venus would feel like being 3,000 feet underwater here on Earth. Despite these challenges, Venus has always been a planet of fascination. From ancient times, when it was worshipped as the morning and evening star, to modern times, when scientists began to ask one burning question: what lies beneath those clouds? The race to Venus began during the space age, with both the United States and the Soviet Union vying for a closer look. In 1962, NASA's Mariner 2 became the first spacecraft to fly by Venus, sending back invaluable data. It confirmed that Venus was incredibly hot, and its clouds were thick and uninhabitable. But it was the Soviets who were determined to land. The Soviet Union launched the Venera program in the 1960s. Their goal? To land on Venus and transmit data back to Earth. It wasn't easy. Several early attempts ended in failure. The crushing pressure and heat destroyed their spacecraft before they could reach the surface. But the Soviets didn't give up. In 1970, Venera 7 became the first spacecraft to successfully land on Venus. This was a monumental achievement in space exploration. Venera 7 was specifically designed to withstand Venus's extreme conditions. The lander survived for just 23 minutes before being overwhelmed by the heat and pressure. But in that short time, it managed to transmit data back to Earth, confirming that landing on Venus was indeed possible. This was followed by Venera 9 in 1975, which became the first spacecraft to send back images from the surface of another planet. The black and white images showed a rocky, desolate landscape, under a perpetually cloudy sky. It was a view of Venus that no human had ever seen before. As the Venera missions progressed, the Soviet Union continued to send landers to Venus throughout the 1970s and 1980s. Each new mission was designed to survive a little longer and gather a little more data. Venera 13, for instance, landed in 1982 and lasted for over 2 hours, remarkable, given the hellish conditions on the surface. It sent back the first color images of Venus, revealing a barren landscape, covered in sharp rocks, and bathed in a yellow-orange light. It also recorded the sounds of the Venusian wind, giving us an eerie sense of what it would be like to stand on the planet's surface. Despite these incredible achievements, landing on Venus remains one of the most difficult feats in space exploration. No human mission has ever been attempted, and it's unlikely one will be in the near future due to the extreme conditions. But the Venera program showed that, even in the harshest environments, humanity can push the boundaries of exploration. Today, Venus continues to be a target for scientific missions. NASA's Parker Solar Probe, ESA's Envision mission, and potential future landers aim to reveal more about this mysterious planet. We still have so much to learn about Venus's geology, its atmosphere, and the history of water on the planet. Who knows what secrets Venus might still hold? The journey of exploration continues. For now, the legacy of the Venera mission stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the determination to explore even the most inhospitable corners of our solar system. Venus may be a world of fire and acid, but it's also a world of discovery, where we took one of the most daring steps in our journey through space.